everyone, welcome to my show. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to learn how to make this chakra mandala using all rainbow colored yarns. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So I have taken four 12-inch dowels and I have marked the center. Now from the sides I will mark every centimeter till 9th centimeter. So both the sides you mark 9 centimeters. Now I'll use my weaving tool to weave the center of the mandala. If you haven't already checked out my video on how to make this weaving tool, then click the link which is on the screen. I will also share the link in my description. If you want to check it later, you can go and check it. So I have aligned all the centers here and I have tied a white yarn around it. And to tie all the dowels together, I will go around it 3 times. So you can see I am going to the opposite side, and this way I will tie it first, all the dowels. Now I will go around all the dowels to make an octagon. After making the octagon with the white color, I will use all the other rainbow colored yarns. And I'll simply go around all the dowels to make octagons. You can see how easy it is to use the tool and weave the center. This tool has really made my life easier. So each color I'll go around 4 times. And now I'll complete with all the other colors. And as you can see, it has not crossed the mark, the first mark. Now I will take it out from my weaving tool. Since my center is already fixed, it won't shift, the dowels won't shift places, so I'll take it out and do the rest. Now I've tied the white yarn again and see how I go here. For the first time only, I'll turn the white yarn so that it pulls the tension of the thread, and every time I will go to the next level, like 1 centimeter up. And so here it ends. So you can see where it started, it will end on the adjacent dowel. So I'll go back again and again come back. This way I'll do it 4 times. Now I have tied the red yarn on the previous dowel of the white yarn where it started. So the red will end here, just one dowel before the where the white ended. So if you have noticed, I started with the red after the white and not the violet, because in my design I'm going on the previous, I'm starting every time on the previous dowel. So I went backwards in the colors. If I would have taken the next dowel, started from the next dowel, then I would have chosen the violet after the white. Now I'll start the orange again just before the red one, and every time in each dowel I'll just go 1 centimeter up where I've already marked on my dowel. So I finished with all the colors. So I'll again show you how I did my last color, because you have to go through the yarns. So I am using a needle, a blunt needle, and I will go just the same way but just inside the yarns. The space that is left over is just for the purple one. So again, for all the colors I have gone through 4 times. I've completed with all the colors. The portion that is remaining of the dowels, I'll just fill in with the colors that is ending with. Like here I am using the white one, and I've also made a loop to hang the mandala. Now I'll make tassels with 2 shades. So here I have blue and indigo. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I've made this 5 tassels and I'll hang them like here, orange and red. This one yellow and orange. And this way I'll attach all the 5 which comes in the bottom. And that's it for today. Hope you have liked the video. If you do, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And please do comment and let me know whether you're finding these tutorials helpful or not. Thank you so much for watching.